So hi everyone. So in the last video we were talking about the copywriting tips, where we discussed about the B2B. That means what are the things in the copywriting keep in your mind when you start copywriting for the B2B. That means business to business model. So in this video we will talk about the creator buyer persona. Means wait, when you start copywriting, so what the things which things you keep in your mind when you start copywriting. So first thing is creating persona. What is the persona? Persona is actually character. Okay, you can say the avatar, right? So creating persona, that means you know your target audience, who they are. Okay, you know their ages, their requirement, what the kind of the things they want. Okay, what kind of the product service they want. So you know everything. So this is the mainly thing when you start copywriting. So creating persona, which help you to find your target audience, and the understanding of the target audience, what the kind of the things they want and the service they want. So creating persona is a very important thing when you start copywriting. So first thing when you start persona, so first thing, keep this thing in your mind. So this is a keyword. Okay, keyword, benefit, proof, CTA, and the tone of voice. This is the copywriting levels, right? That means your copywriting will have the right keyword according to your service or product. Okay, benefits, that means uh, you can't show only your product feature or service feature. At least rather than you have to show your benefit of the product. That means when you show your feature, all the feature of your product, right, and you're not showing the benefits, so the people only buy your benefit, not your features. Okay, let's assume you have a lots of feature, like 100 features, but there is a no profit for no benefit for any users. So those people, those user will not buy your product, not buy your service, because there are no benefit for that particular users. So that's why very important. So your service has a benefit, and you in the copywriting you will show the benefit for the users. So that's important things. Okay, and so uh, okay, we were talking about the persona. Okay, let's go to the persona. So how we create persona for our audience. Okay, so let's assume uh, I have a fantasy cricketing app. Okay, that's my product. Okay, so I am working for a client, and the client has a product which is a sorry service which is a fantasy cricketing app. So what I do when I start copywriting for my client, first thing, I would check I would to like check my audience ages. So in term of fantasy cricketing apps, so there are the most of the audience come from 20 to 30 age group, right? So wait, just a moment. Actually, my my laptop has a less charge, and I want to charge now. Actually, its battery is going down. Okay, so my target audience is lie between the 30 to 80, 15 to 30. So this age group I will target. Okay, by for this copy, and through this 8 copy. Okay, so there are some points. Let's talk about the by step by step that points. So first thing, there is a age. Okay, age group between the 15 to 30. This is the age group. The that's my target audience, and their age group is 30 to 15 to 30 age group will who the age group are playing fantasy cricket. Okay, second thing is gender. So mainly when I talk about the fantasy game, there are only when I as much I know about the fantasy cricketing app, actually there are the most of audience and their gender are only male, because female are not interested as much as male are interested. Okay, so second thing is a gender. And let's move ahead, and here highest education level. So this is the very important thing, because when you know about your audience education level, you can promote your productive you can write the content according to them, right? When your audience have a very highly educated, okay, when they are very highly educated, very understanding, when a high level class, so you will create a 8 post or the 8 copy for them. It will be very high level, high value targeting like a high value people, understanding by the high value people. But when the talking about your lower class, I mean low level educated people's users, so there will be, your content should be only less word and the simple to simple word, because their understanding is very low and their education is not much as. Okay, so that's why you have to knowledge about your audience education and the qualification. Okay, so here when I create a persona for the fantasy cricket app, I will be, I can say that 12th to graduated. Okay, 12th pass to graduated person who play fantasy cricket, who they are playing fantasy cricket. Okay, and move ahead, and fourth thing is the location. So what is uh, thing, what's important, the location. Actually, when I talk about the location, so you targeting which location is very important, because the copy will be according to your location, right? When I am from uh, India, so I will write my copy according to Indian audience, right? Not to as much as an English, and not much as a high level and very authentic level of English. I can't use in my copy. I can use only the simple words, so which the Indian are understand the words. So here I will put the location India. Okay, experience. So experience, what is the experience? Experience means when I create any copy or any persona, so I can assume that my audience has a little bit knowledge about the fantasy gaming, right? Not as much, but all the people are know to how to play, or how to join any team, how to how to create a team, and what is the fantasy cricket app, and how to make money from them. This kind of thing all the Indian are already know, because the reason of the Dream 11, all the person and all the cricket lover know about the fantasy cricketing app. So here I can't put the beginner or intermediate or high level. I just can put normally beginner to intermediate, because there are some person who don't know the actual fantasy gaming app. Okay, most of the people are innocent, they are just watching cricket and not to as much as known about the fantasy. Okay, so but there are lots of audience who they are know everything about the fantasy. So and also there are some person who know the intermediate level, like they are know there are no there are some fantasy cricketing app where you can play cricket, where you can make your team and play cricket, and invest your money and earn the money back. This kind of thing they are no. So I will targeting only those person who are the beginner in this fantasy field and who are intermediate. Okay, I will not target those person who already know everything about the fantasy team, fantasy cricketing app, like how to make team, how to earn money, this kind of thing. Those person are very advanced level and the expert on the fantasy cricketing app. So I will not target those person. I will target only beginner and the intermediate. And let's talk about another thing, which is the looking for. Looking for, it means okay, when I talk about any field, okay, no, not not even the only fantasy cricket, but expect that there are all lots of field, there are the lots of competition. Okay, there is a huge competition in every business, in every service. There are the lots of uh, there are lots of competition. So so when we talk about any fantasy cricketing app or any other things, there are lots of competitor. So when we are writing copy for any app or anything, like anything, it could be anything, right? So when we talk about the copywriting, we have to knowledge about the features and the benefits of the product or service. So here we only mention our features, like what could be things looking for in this thing. When you create the persona, looking for means what the benefit, what the USP of your product. Here you will be put on when you create persona, because there are the lots of apps. Okay, expect this app. So they are offering much more things. Okay, not just they are providing, or this particular product are providing that service. There are the lots of apps or the producer who they are servicing these things earlier. Okay, they have been giving the service earlier. So we here here we only put on the things, only the things which is very important for the our app, and who make our content unique. Like unique, that means what is the what could be the unique things here. What I have written here: a reliable fantasy app that save their money and guaranteed more income. So this is the my pain point. I hit the fantasy pain point, and I give the solution by my persona. Okay, write my copywriting. So this is the things. When you start the copywriting, you have to mention these things. Okay, seventh thing is looking to do. That means what we will looking to do. That means what you can do according to your app. So generate more income than they are investing in the particular contest. So this could be my answer here. And when I create the persona. Okay, so looking to do, that means what the user looking for. Okay, it means what the user looking for your app, why they are look your app, because there are the lots of app. Okay, there are lots of competition in this field, but what the reason, what the USP of your product, okay, to people buy your product. So this is the things which you can add. Okay, which could you add in your copy, because it's very important. So when you create the user persona, you have to mention that these things these features, and this will be your benefit for using or say buying this product, or getting service of this product. So this is the things. And there is a eighth thing is a wants. Wants means what's are their things which they want to in that app. Okay, through this app, what are the things they want through this app. This is the things. So 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 in a persona we have to mention these things, because everyone wants. Okay, everyone wants something new, something interesting. Okay, so when you start creating any persona and copywriting, so we have to mention their wants. So here what I put it here, the earn income, low tax and high return. This is my theme for this content, right? Okay, so other things here, the other thing, what could be the other things? Users want to use their uh, cricketing knowledge to create their fantasy team and generate income. This is a very common thing. Okay, so these 9 points are the points which is which things you keep in mind to create a persona. Because persona, that means these things. Okay, these 9 things are the majorly things which every users look for any app, look for any benefit. Okay, so this is the key persona, where you mention your audience gender, audience age, audience education level, audience. That means you completely absorb observation of your audience, like what are their wants, what they want for do, what they are looking for. And okay, and what they want to know, what they want to buy. Okay, so these things you understand, and the observer through the analysis. Okay, user analysis. And after analysis, you create the user persona, and where you enter all the things. Okay, like gender, education level, location, this kind of thing. You just put it and enter down, and just create a persona, and which you can use for creating any content. Like you keep your mind, okay, these things when you start writing your copy. So this is a very important thing. And let's talk about the things. Okay, when you start creating a copy. Okay, you start writing your copy, and what are the things. Okay, in your in your persona. So first thing is goal. So your goal will be very clear, like you pitch those things only which you want to uh, which you want to make know the peoples uh, who will look your content. Challenges and pain points, this is the very important thing. Pain point, that means which points, uh, which are the points where the users are uh, difficult to understand. They are the issues in a particular niches. Okay, this is the pain points. Benefits, what is the meaning of benefits? So benefits is nothing. So you have to keep in your mind when you start copywriting. So user will buy only benefits, not the features. Okay, so in your copy you have to mention only the feature, only the not even the features, benefits too. Because people buy only benefits. Like you can write like this. when you start writing for anything, and you just say like our features are, you can choose your backup player after making your team, after creating your team. Okay, this is the normal features. Okay, but you just write your features in your copy, but what are the benefit of users? Okay, what's the benefit of these features? So people wants to know about the only benefit. So you can write in the next column or next line that you can choose your player accordingly you want to, and after uh, toss or announce the lineup, you're the pick up your backup player which you pick up, right? They will automatically change with the uh, unpicked player, like, right? So this is the things, right? This is the benefit you can show in your copy. So this thing keep your mind, and this will very useful thing to show your benefits according to users wants. Okay, fourth thing, object like high entry fee and less winning chance. What is the meaning of this objection like? So there are lots of if where is a high entry level. Okay, high entry level and the less winning chances. So we encounter those points in our copies. We try to write our copies like we are offering where you can uh, invest very low and return will be very high. Okay, return will be your return will be very high. So this kind of thing we can encounter in our copy. So what is this? It's click the user's mind. So this app is giving me a high value chance and high returns, and its investment is very low because the entry level is very low. So why we not choosing this app? So this is the clicking the user's mind. Okay, so we we should think about this. Okay, when you try to write a beneficial and productive copy. Okay, so these are the things which we had discussed about the create the user persona. And for this video guys, this much, and we will meet another video. There we will talk about the essential fundamental in copywriting. Okay, so let's meet. Okay, let's meet another video, and for this video this much, and goodbye guys.